We'll guide you through how to create installation media to reinstall Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps there's some type of problem and so you want to go and reinstall Windows 11. And so what you need to do is you want to go and create the media for it. We're going to guide you through this step by step with what you need to know in order to go and do this. So you need to go and watch this full guide, make sure you don't skip anything as we're covering important information throughout this whole guide. So without any further ado, let's get into it, and hopefully it's going to be able to go and solve your problem and get what you need to done. So to get started with this, because we're creating the installation media, we're going to go and need a USB drive for it. So if you haven't already got one, you can go and check out the links down below to Amazon. There's our affiliate, which support the channel at no extra cost to you, and you need to go and get a USB drive. It needs to be at least 8 gigabytes, as that's the space that is going to be required. So there are different ones you can get here. You can go and browse through the ones I put down below, and hopefully you'll be able to go and find a suitable one. As long as it's 8 gigabytes, then that should be enough. Now, alternatively, you may already have one. If you already have one, that's fine. In my case, I do. So if you already have one, what you want to do is go and plug it into your computer. Then what you can do is you can go and open up your file explorer. Come over to the left and you need to go and find this PC. You may just go and scroll up or down to go and find it, and you'll go and see the different devices and drives. I've got quite a few here. We need to make sure we identify the right one, which is this one here, Untitled. Now it's important to note that you should need to come into it because during this process, the files on it are going to go and be lost. So if you want to go and back these up, what you can on your desktop is just go and right click. We can go and press new and we could go and put backup like so. And then I'll just go and make a backup of them. And there they are. So wait for them to go and transfer. And then what we can do is go and press back in the top left of File Explorer. And you can come and right click on it. And you want to go and press Format. And what we can then do here is we can go and do a format. Just so this is going to go and erase everything as you can see. So make sure you are sure. You can press OK and it's now complete. So if we come in here, you can see it's now empty. The next step is we need to go and get the software. So you want to go and open up the web browser. I'm using Google Chrome, but you could use Microsoft Edge, Firefox, whatever web browser you use. Here, you need to go and type in Windows 11 Installation Assistant, like so. Go and search for it, and you want to come down to this site here, Download Windows 11. It's the official Microsoft site. You can go and see that there. Now, it says here about creating the Windows 11 installation media. If you want to perform a reinstall or clean install of Windows 11 on a new or used PC, use this download option, the media creation tool, to make a bootable USB or DVD. So what we can do is go and press download now. You can go and see it's downloaded. It has been blocked. I've had it before it's safe, so we can click on it and press download unverified file, which it now has. And we're going to come out of our web browser, and you can then come and open up your file explorer. In here, you can come and press downloads to the left and you can go and find the media creation tool. Double click on it like so, and we can then go and run it. Change the language in addition if needed. I'm just using the recommended options and we can press next in the bottom right. We're then going to select USB drive. It needs to be at least 8 gigabytes as you can see. So press next in the bottom right. Then you can go and choose the drive. Mine's the Untitled one. As I said, you can identify it in File Explorer, select it, and you can then press next. Here it is, it's now downloading Windows 11 and the installation media is going to go and be created, so we can go and wait. When it's completed, we're then going to be able to go and use USB and we can go and boot into it to then do the reinstall. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again with more guides in the future. Have a great day and I'll catch you again soon when we have another how-to where we can help you out with. Goodbye for now.